Hail, moving northeast at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Wingate, Marshville, and Sturtevant. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using #NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Union, North Carolina. Or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using #NWSGSP. The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Wilson County in western North Carolina, southwestern Cleveland County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, northwestern Cherokee County in upstate South Carolina until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:57 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles southeast of Forest City, or 4 miles north of Count Penn's National Battlefield, moving northeast at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and any size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Boiling Springs, North Carolina, Ellenboro, Lattimore, Mooresboro, Count Penn's National Battlefield, Cliffside, Henrietta, Harris, and Caroline. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using #NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina, Cleveland and Rutherford, and Cherokee, South Carolina. Thunderstorm warning for central Cleveland County in the Piedmont of North Carolina until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:01 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles north of Shelby, or near Lawndale, moving southeast at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. North of Shelby, or near Lawndale, include Shelby, Boiling Springs, North Carolina, Lawndale, Falston, Lattimore, Waco, Kingstown, and Polkville. Brief damage winds will blow down trees and power lines over small areas. A brief period of large hail is also possible. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Please report damaging winds and power lines or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using #NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Cleveland, North Carolina. The National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Fairfield County in central South Carolina, northeastern Lexington County in central South Carolina, northwestern Richland County in central South Carolina, western Kershaw County in central South Carolina, until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
At 7:58 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Harbison State Forest, or near Irmo, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbia, West Columbia, Irmo, Forest Acres, Winsboro, St. Andrews, Deathville, Arcadia Lakes, Fairfield County Airport, villages at Sandhill, Columbia International University, Killian, Harbison State Forest, Riverbank Zoo, Lake Carolina, West Columbia Riverwalk, Valentini, Five Points, Woodfield, and Bluewood. This includes the following highways: Interstate 126 between mile marker 0 and 3. Interstate 20 in South Carolina between mile marker 64 and 74. Interstate 26 between mile markers 96 and 108. Interstate 77 between mile markers 17 and 33. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Fairfield, South Carolina. And many locations east of the North Carolina mountains. Southwestern Mecklenburg County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, eastern York County in upstate South Carolina, until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 8 miles northeast of York to 5 miles southeast of Rock Hill, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Rock Hill, Fort Mill, T.K., Newport, Leslie, Catawba, Carolines, Lake Wiley, Steel Creek, and Southwest Charlotte. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Lake Wiley. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. On or near Lake Wiley, get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in a thunderstorm. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Mecklenburg, North Carolina, or by posting on our Facebook page or Twitter using hashtag NWSGS. Southeastern. Carolina until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:57 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles northwest of Indian Land, or near Carolines, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include South Charlotte, Southwest Charlotte, East Charlotte, Matthews, Pineville, Freedom Park, and Arboretum, South Park Mall, Source Plaza, and Central Charlotte. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 on the lowest floor. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: November, North Carolina, flooded roadways. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling. Until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:26 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles southwest of Indian Land, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Fort Mill, Leslie, Catawba, and Rock Hill. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: